planning a major home renovation or building your dream home from the ground up, you are probably already feeling the pressure to get everything right. And while choosing tile, paint colors, or cabinet hardware might sound fun at first, most busy professional homeowners hit a wall fast. Hey everyone, I'm Lesley Myrick, interior designer and business coach. And listen, I know that decision fatigue during a renovation is real. When your days are already full of work, parenting, travel, volunteering, and managing your team, being asked to approve every single light fixture or grout line, it can push you straight into overwhelm. Renovations and new builds involve hundreds of decisions, and most of them come with real consequences in terms of cost, quality, and long-term function. Without a clear plan and a trusted guide, you're left fielding a million questions from your contractor, answering emails at midnight about plumbing fixtures, second-guessing every choice, and worrying you'll regret something once it's installed. This right here is exactly where most of our full-service design clients come to us, ready to renovate and not willing to lose sleep over it. At Lesley Myrick Interior Design, we specialize in managing the entire renovation and design process for busy professionals like you, people with incredible taste, but not the time or mental energy to coordinate a renovation on their own. With our full-service design, we take care of everything: floor plans and layout drawings, custom cabinetry and millwork design, finish selections, lighting, plumbing, and more, furniture, art and decor, communication with contractors and vendors, styling your space to perfection at the end. And here's where the real magic happens. We don't make decisions for you. We curate intentional choices and guide you through them at just the right moments to avoid that dreaded renovation decision fatigue. No more late night Pinterest spirals, just personalized, thoughtful design tailored to how you live and what you love. Not quite ready yet for full service design? Our design strategy session is a great fit if you're still in those early stages of planning a build or remodel and need expert guidance to get you started. In one focused session, you'll get real recommendations, big picture clarity, and a plan you can trust without the overwhelm. Renovating your home should feel exciting, not exhausting. If you're feeling the weight of all the decisions ahead, let's simplify things. We're here to guide the process, protect your time, and deliver a result that feels so you without the stress. You can learn more about working with us and schedule a complimentary consultation call at lesleymyrick.com.